This is the first time I'm showing this thing on video. I'll fire this up. Full of water. This is a 2002 Whirlpool Gold with the electronic controls. This thing is made in Brazil. This also does not have the annoying beep. This is the one with the wraparound coil. The refrigerant noise on this thing is crazy. It's going to be kind of hard to hear it because it's on the low fan speed setting, and the neighbor's using his air compressor. The whole thing's full of water. Gotta drill a drain hole in this one eventually. And I did add that Thermopride logo. I believe that came off of a furnace. I just thought the back of this thing just looked a bit too bare, so had to add something to it. Screen mesh on it was a bit broken, so I cut it off. And that is some plastic signing there on the side. That's what that white panel is. Keep any large items or anything from getting in there. I'm not too worried about the ventilation since there is not all of the coil has the fan behind it. I think it's only from there to there, so it sucks in through a bit of the coil on each side. And then there is an open hole there, and there's also vents on the top of the machine. Another interesting quirk is the filter here. It goes all the way through the unit. I haven't really used this one enough yet for it to get dirty. I had to repair this one a couple times already with the fan shroud. I'm hoping it works. I can get through this year with it. There's some broken plastic on the fan shroud at the bottom, so after a while the unit starts to shake, like how I'm holding the camera. I do like how simplistic this control panel is. this large outlet here for the vent, and then there is this wheel, and you can see here has these little arrows which coincide with how these are facing this way, and then same thing for the other direction. And if it's in the center, it has kind of like this pause looking thing, which is for shooting out straight. We normally have it kind of angled a bit towards kind of like the up, so it kind of shoots upward a little bit into the room.